Hi everyone! Today I'll demonstrate how to create a resilient crossover failover solution using Spot instances in Emma. Configuring your Spot instances. Start by navigating to All Projects and select your desired project. From there, click on Spot Instances and begin configuring your setup. I'll select Standard for CPU type, specify 4 CPUs, and set memory at 16 GB. Deploying across multiple regions. Next, I'll add my first Spot instance by selecting Nevada as the region, then proceed to the next step to configure the security group. To enhance resiliency, I'll now add another Spot instance with the same configuration but in a different region, this time selecting Pune and again configuring the security settings. For even greater resilience, I'll add a third Spot instance, choosing Virginia as the location, maintaining the same hardware configuration and security settings. Finalizing deployment. Now with Spot instances deployed across 3 distinct locations, I've significantly increased system resilience for effective failover. Finally, I'll click Deploy Spot instances to initiate deployment. As you can see, your order is now successfully in progress.